Mustang coupe. Another road trip, guys. Here we go to Classic Auto Mall in Pennsylvania. So I haven't done a road trip video in years, so I had to at least say hello while I'm driving. I know you're all commenting, it's not safe, but I'm looking right over the camera, okay? I'm looking at the road. Next, you'll see me with Ed at the Classic Auto Mall. We've arrived at Classic Auto Mall. Check it out. That's a big semi. And I'm sure you guys can make a bunch of jokes about that. All right, now here we go. We're going into the mall to check out the cars in this wintry day in Pennsylvania. And here it is, the entrance. And of course, Ed's with me. What town are we in, Ed?
Morgantown.
We're in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, and this is the Classic Auto Mall. And we're going in, guys. We're going in. So you're gonna be natural. You're gonna be relaxed.
Give me a pointer.
Ed does not like being on video, so this is a day where he's gonna do it.
Give me a pointer on.
All right, I'll work on that.
How to be natural.
Well, I've done it 8,000 times, so I better get good at it, right? One more thing. All right, take us in.
Okay.
Here we go. Classic Auto Mall. Look at this. This is a mall, guys, for classic cars. This is like a dream come true. I mean, who could have guessed? Look at this place. Look at, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I'm in overwhelm right now. Hang on a second. I'm in overwhelm. Look at this. Look behind glass. This is like a big kids mall. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Kim.
Kim?
Yes.
Do you welcome everybody?
I do.
All right, guys. So you can see Kim over here at the Classic Auto Mall. Let's live the adventure.
Good morning.
Well, you know what? I'm so casual about my videos that I'll probably leave it on. This is Bob, and this is Rob. Now, I just walked in the door. I'm walking in with Ed. And of course, I'm doing my video thing. They're looking at me like, who is this guy?
Who's the Mustang?
Especially MustangMedic guy.
Especially with the hat.
Exactly. I know, it's the hat. It's kind of my trademark. But tell them what your experience of the Classic Auto Mall. It sounds a little echoey in here. Get used to it because that's what it's going to be.
I tell you, it's a great place, much larger than I thought, and experienced growing up. My 1970 Mustangs here, Carmen.
Your 1970 Mustang? Oh, you mean not your personal Mustang?
Well, I owned it at one time.
All right.
Yeah.
That counts. Go ahead.
I've seen all these cars that I grew up with as a teenager. It's just terrific.
Yeah. It's pretty amazing. I walked in here and I'm just like,
terrific.
Yeah, this is like, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, it's huge, and I understand the cars are in chronological order. Is that true?
Yes, and I understand half of them for exhibit, and many of them are for consignment.
Right. Oh, half of them are exhibit?
Yeah.
Oh, I got to make sure of that.
It's my understanding that half of the cars, the 400 of them, are owned by the owner of this.
Really?
You know, his home personal
Do
collection.
you know that for a fact? Well, it's an opinion.
It's an
we'll
opinion.
We'll
That's
find
what
out.
I've heard. That's what I've heard.
That's
from
what rumor has it. We'll find out if that's true later.
And then the other half are the 400. Other 400 are on consignment.
So how many cars are in here?
800.
800 cars.
The biggest auto mall in the world.
I've never seen anything like it. So here it goes, guys. And I am not going to just give you Mustangs. I'm going to give you all kinds of cars. MustangMedic loves the automobile. Sorry to put my hand in your face. Loves the automobile, and we're going to show you a lot of stuff. That's the new MustangMedic 2.0, showing you everything.
I want to mention too, it's temperature controlled.
Right.
And you can get up really close to these cars.
Right. So it's not a please touch me museum, but you can get darn close.
Yeah. Take some photos.
Yeah. And these guys are locals and they love it. So here we go for the adventure called Classic. Thank you. Classic Auto Mall.
Bye.
I'm not sure if you guys know how patriotic I am. If you've been watching for a while, you know. But look how cool it is, what they have out in front of the Classic Auto Mall out here in Pennsylvania. That in the distance, guys, is an American flag in the fog because all this snow is melting off. And there's the sign for Classic Auto Mall off into the distance. But you know what I mean. That is cool. That is one big pole.